Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Shubhanki. I know it's kind of getting a little bit chilly out here. Can you believe guys, 2021 is finally coming to an end. It's November and winter is approaching little by little, and that's why in today's video I'm going to share with you guys my top 10 brown lipsticks and 5 lip liners, brown lip liners. If you are watching my video by now, you know that I don't spend much on lipsticks because I'm not a lipstick kind of person. But one thing for sure I have a huge collection of is brown lipsticks. Yes, you heard it right, because I am a hoarder of brown lipsticks and I think most of them has kind of similar shades, but I still buy them. I don't know what happens. Automatically, I just get attracted to brown color when it comes to lipsticks. So I am the right person to tell you guys some of my favorite brown lipsticks that are like holy grails. I have them right in front of me. As you guys can see, a tray full of browns, nudes, dark browns, everything which is perfect for winter. So without any further ado, let's get started. I think I'm going to talk about first the bullet lipsticks and then go into liquid lipsticks. So the first two lipsticks are these two, Nykaa lipsticks. I know, right? I am not actually fan of Nykaa products itself, but I really liked this range of lipsticks they had. So the first one I have is Nykaa's Wake Up Makeup, this shade. This is such a beautiful shade. I have this on my lips, though you can't actually figure out because I have 3 to 4 other shades as well. The formula is so good, it's so creamy, yet when you put it on your lips, it looks matte. Like, look at my lips, but it is so creamy and juicy. Perfect formula for winter. Now the second one is from the same range only, but the shade is Let It Snooze. Now the difference between these two shades is it's a little bit warm but same brown tone, but that one is really cool toned. I also often apply this when I have a really bronzed makeup look. This looks so good. It looks like I have literally sun-kissed lips, and the Wake Up Makeup shade is very cool toned, so it really goes with white or black, all white outfits. Wake Up Makeup has a slightly pinkish undertone to that brown shade, while Let It Snooze has a very warm orange undertone. So this is basically the color difference between them. The formula are same in both the case. So the it's the third one, right? So the third one has also a similar kind of shade as of the Let It Snooze one, but the formula is a little bit velvety. It's a little different. I don't know how to explain the formula, but it's also very juicy and it's also very smooth and buttery and creamy. This lipstick is from Lotus and it's in the shade Almond Rust. Now this is like, I have used this so much that I have finished it and I cannot use it, but I still use it using my hand. I have used this so much. I mean, this is one of my favorite lipsticks. This shade is really good, and the formula, I don't want to talk about it. So good. By the way, these lipsticks are very winter proofed. They are not going to dry out your lips at all. Now the fourth lipstick is a very affordable option for you guys. So this is L18 Colourpop matte lipstick, and I remember that I used to apply L18 so much in my college days. I used to have a collection of L18 lipsticks and I don't have them anymore, but only one lipstick that still stuck to me through thick and thin is this color. The shade is Belgium Brown. I freaking love this color. I mean, look at this. This is such a dark shade. I know you guys are gonna say that it's literal gothic, but what can I say? I really like a darkest chocolate brown lipstick with all black outfit or all white outfit or even all beige outfit. Like it, I think it looks really good and I really go for those vibes. It gives me such a strong boss lady vibes, though that doesn't mean that if you are in a dress you can't be a boss babe. Any day if you spot me on the street, 90% of the time you will find me in a all black outfit with a darkest brown lipstick. Yeah, that is my comfort zone basically. So the next lipstick, actually next 3 lipsticks are from the same range. It's from Nykaa. So these are wow. Okay, so these are the lipsticks. So the shades are quite good. So if you don't like a bullet lipstick, you can apply these lipsticks. But there are a few things that I should tell you guys before I recommend this to you guys. So these are Nykaa's matte liquid lipstick and I got the mini versions of it. There is obviously regular, the big version, the actual version. So the first point is, please do not go for these minis. Like they are so little. I'm gonna show you guys, like they are not even my whole finger. So literally they will last you like 5 to 6 applications and they retails for like 250 rupees. 250 rupees for 5 application is not worth it. Even after they have good formula, it's not worth it guys. Please buy the bigger one. The actual one will last you a lot longer, and secondly the formula is not drying, though this is a liquid lipstick. I don't feel it dry, but I know dryness could be subjective. Please apply good layer of lip balm and then apply this. I think it will be okay for you guys too. But if you have super dry skin, I would say just don't wear any liquid lipsticks in winter. Just go for the bullet ones. Anyway, I have talked a lot. Let's introduce you to the shades. Most favorite shade of mine is 05 Madras Kapi. This is such a pretty shade. It's not super dark brown and it is not also super light brown. So it is just in the middle and it's perfect for Indian skin tone. So it is not going to even whitewash your lips nor even make you look gothic. So I would highly recommend you guys this color. Now the second two shades are, the darkest one is Chai, which is really a dark brown, chocolatey brown shade, pure chocolate brown. It looks like you have painted your lips with chocolate. And another one is Bombay, 01 Bombay. This is a very light brown shade and I really like it to highlight my lip. Like I'm gonna put it in the middle of my lip and put this one at the corner and it will look like a very diffused ombre brown pouty lips. So you guys can go for these two colors as well. Okay, so the last two lipstick options are not for you people who has very dry lips, because they can tend to dry your lips a little bit, but the colors are really gorgeous. Brown colors are really good and I do apply them in winter as well, so I'm gonna include this in the video. So the first one is Wet n Wild's Catsuit lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha. So this is the color. This is such a beautiful color. I mean, I love this one. I really like this one. Also, this is smudge proof. If you scrub your lips well, moisturize it daily, you are good to go with these lipsticks in winter as well. And the ninth one is this one. This is My Glam's liquid lipstick in the shade R Bomb. So this shade is really good, and by the way, this is really matte. This can dry out your lip, so I'm going to say skip it if your lips tends to dry and get chapped anyway. I know this happens to a lot of girls who daily care about their lips. They still face this problem, so that's why I'm just mentioning everything while recommending you guys these lipsticks. But I do like the formula because it just stays in place. If you apply it, it doesn't move. This is very mask proof and doesn't budge at all. It can last till like 6 to 7 hours. That is also the reason why it is so drying on your lip, but this color is so gorgeous. I love it. Now I know winters are supposed to be drying, less sunny, cool toned, so we often go for brown cool toned lipsticks that are matte. But guys, these rules are meant to be broken, and by that I mean I have a gloss recommendation for you guys this winter. So the gloss that I have for you guys is this one. This is a beautiful brown shade and I cannot skip this gloss if I'm making a brown lipstick video, so I had to include this. And this is such a pretty lipstick to not get included in a video. I know this is a gloss, but when you apply this on your lips, you can't differentiate that this is a gloss because this is so pigmented. So it is like literally a lipstick. You can call this a lipstick. So I'm talking about Insight's Long Wear Color Rich Lip Gloss in the shade 13 Temptation. Now I have talked about this a lot in my channel and yet I haven't gotten bored of it, so I'm still going to talk about this. By the way, I had to show you guys this one. I recently dropped this from somewhere, I think from a really good height, and that's why the cap just, the cap broke, and after seeing that I cried 2 tears. Anyway, you guys know how messy I am, so what can I do? Now I have talked about lipsticks, but how you are going to line your lips if I don't talk about lip liners? Yup, that is right. I have 5 lip liner options for you guys that has more or less brown shades, so you guys can have really good pouty lips this winter. I am going to take care of that. So the first one is the one which is my favorite, and I apply this every day when I put on lipstick. So this is my go-to lip liner, and look at this, how big it is. Like, it's even bigger than my hand. Yeah, so basically this will last you forever. So, and it is very affordable. So the lip liner that I'm talking about is Wet n Wild's lip liner in the shade, wait, let me search the shade, it's so small. I literally need a magnifying glass to read this. Okay, I got it. The shade is Chestnut. So this is Wet n Wild's lip liner in the shade Chestnut. This is such a gorgeous brown shade, and the formula, I really like it. It doesn't bleed through and it stays in place, literally stays in place. And I don't know what the formula is. Like, it is matte but literally not drying, but the only problem is that I have to keep on sharpening it. But anyway, I really like this lip liner. Now the rest 4 are from the same brand itself, so I'm going to talk to you guys quickly about it. So these lip liners are also really good. They don't bleed, they don't smudge, but I think they do transfer a little bit. But if I top it up with a matte liquid lipstick, then it doesn't bother. I have figured that out, so I apply accordingly. And this is so cheap. I got these lip liners from Myntra, and this was a set of 6, I guess. 4 of them I chose brown, different shades of brown, and I really want to talk you guys through all the shades. So the first shade is Snow Pink, but it is nowhere pink. This is super brown, like super brown. Now the second shade I really like. This shade is so gorgeous. This is another shade that I often use. I think I just alternate this shade with the Wet n Wild's Chestnut. So this is in the shade Wine, and this is a super dark brown shade. Like, look at this. This is also so creamy. I really like it. Now the second shade I have with me is Rust. Now this is a very reddish brown color, and I also like it. This is Rust. So this one is Rust. These two are so similar but yet so different. This is really reddish, but this is a little bit chocolatey but lighter chocolatey. I mean, I hope you guys can understand what I'm just telling you guys. It's very hard to explain colors. Anyway, so the last shade that I have with me is, it's also, by the way, I have used this so much that I need to sharp these things out. So the last shade is, literally it says Deep Maroon. This is the shade. Wow, this is so creamy. Okay, so this is the shade. I really like all these colors, but the most favorite one is Wine and Rust, and obviously Chestnut. I genuinely use these lip liners and lipsticks that I have talked about in this video. I am even wearing these shades right now. Okay, so we have finally come to the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. Yeah, please do subscribe. And with that, I'm going to go now. Until then, be happy and bye.
I'm out of practice, I ain't had the energy. Depression is a bitch that won't stop texting me. And this anxiety, what the hell she want from me? And give myself the love I want everybody else